With every water feature, it's absolutely important that you tell a story. I love this backyard because it has so many different living spaces. For example, right now I'm standing on top of this incredibly well-built putting green. It was the first thing I noticed when I came out here on the consultation, and I love how it has just all these really natural undulations. It's got a sand trap over here, and so as I'm talking to the homeowner, we're kind of looking at this hillside here, and we're determining where do we want to put this pondless waterfall, right? And sometimes that's one of the hardest parts of any kind of a consultation is that where are we going to put it, kind of how, because it's so important that we put the water feature in a living space that makes sense. So if you take a look at this area over here where Joe is, that's going to be a future barbecue. And so I thought, you know what, let's just do this. Let's go ahead and take this pondless waterfall and let's set it in such a way and build it in such a way so that regardless of where we are around the yard, we've got a different view. So here we are from the putting green. So I'm in the far north corner of the yard, and you can see the waterfall is coming down over here, but the main falls is hidden from view. And I really like that because as I walk around the putting green now, and as I maybe come halfway through, now we start to see a little bit more of a peekaboo view of the falls, and now this starts to disappear a little bit. And now as I come across the way over here, more towards the entrance, the gate to the backyard, or maybe the exit, now that waterfall on the right where Joe is completely hidden, and this waterfall now is completely visible. So coming forward, there's something really cool that I learned when I was out working with the guys over at the Zoo Project in Indiana. Jeff Michaels, this is his brainchild, and I saw it and I was like, the very next time I build a waterfall, I'm going to do it. And this is it, this rapids. I've never done that before. It's always traditionally been more like, you know, the framing stone, spillway stone, framing stone like this. And so while I was putting this together and foaming and getting all these rocks locked into place, I had Joe and Jose. They were up here working up over here and going from big to tinier to small and really pinching the flow down as we went up over here. And then Jose on his own, he came along over here and he did this little area right here. And this is just a really cool spot because this is where the future barbecue is going to go. So from on the patio, now this stream has now disappeared, and we have a peekaboo view of this waterfall now coming down over here. So from basically every angle, you see something new. This is just a really cool quick tip in waterfall placement and making sure that you're telling a story. So if you're a homeowner doing a do-it-yourself job, or if you're another contractor and you're just looking for other ideas and ways to be able to sell a job, this is one of the ways that I sell jobs and I deliver jobs because it's just simply the right thing to do. If you're new to my channel, if you just came across me for the very first time, please do me a solid favor and give me a like on this video. Subscribe if you feel like you want to see more stuff, and put your comments down below. I answer 100% of every single question, every single comment that's left on my channel. And in the meantime, like I said before, I'm Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, and I'm here to remind you that placement matters. Happy ponding.